guys, it's Tyra here from Reiki Essentials and Wellness and Firefly Gift Shop. So it's raining today and nobody's come in. You know, you guys are funny. When it rains, nobody wants to come in. But oh my goodness, it can be snowing a foot a minute. And y'all are like, hey, Tyra, are you open today? So I promise you, none of you will melt. And we wrap up our stones pretty good so they don't get wet. 99.9% of our stones are not going to melt in the rain. So yeah, how are you guys on this rainy day? Are you looking forward to fall as much as I am? I know there's my fall fans out there. I'm ready. I am so ready. I'm sick of sweating. I don't want the AC bills. I want to wear my sweaters. I want to drink more warm, cozy tea. So we are busy today. Since it's such a quiet day, we're busy today putting things out. And he's working on some stuff right now. Right now on my desk, I want to show you. We have, I think I showed you some of these in the unboxing. And they are aromatherapy charms. And let's see. Oops. I'm going to knock over my tea. And then there's this pretty Tree of Life. And, oh, there are some others. Oh, I think I did show you these because I remember looking for this one. This is a bracelet. It's a Tree of Life in there. I don't know if you can see it. And then it opens that. Maybe little felt fabric disc. And then we also, they always come in such weird colors, right? So I was able to get gray, which is kind of a normal color, and then green. The elephant looked kind of cool with the green behind him, so I grabbed green. Tons of discs, those aromatherapy discs for you. And yeah, so I'm working on jewelry stuff. And then we also had, hey, I don't remember I'm just bad with math, I think. I don't remember ordering such tiny little, he's so tiny. I mean, he's just, well, I don't have my tape measure here, but here's my hand and my thumb. I have just normal sized thumbs. There he is. So tiny little. And they're heavy. Must be brass. Anyway, guys, so it's raining. So I wanted to remind you, we're here until 7. And to try to entice you to come in. When you come in, when you come check out, ask for a rainy day purchase, rainy day discount purchase. And we'll get you a rainy day discount as a thank you for coming in, even though it's raining. I don't know. I promise you, you guys aren't, green skinned like the Wicked Witch of the West. You won't melt in the water. So when you get a chance, come on in yet today and ask for a rainy day discount and we'll be sure to get you one. Okay, guys. Thanks. Bye.